Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to animate the head from right to left in the easiest way possible. And it's really simple. You just have to do it step by step. Plan your actions and then animate, and it's all easy. So this is me making the right most extreme, the head looking to the right, and then this is the head looking to the left. So I'm drawing a very simple head, mostly a circle. So the nose is what will tell us where the head is pointing. This is the middle. So after the extremes, we draw the middle portion. Now remember, the head will look a little down and then to the left. You can do it in your own head. Start by looking right, then look to the left. You will see that your head tilts a little down and your eyes close, you blink. These are the in-betweens I'm making. After I make the extreme, I'm like the key positions. Make the key positions first, then add the drawings which come in the middle of those key positions. Yeah, do that exercise. If you want to animate anything, just first do it on your own. Do it yourself. Look in the mirror and do it yourself, or record yourself. That will be the most lifelike thing you can do. Yeah. So what I'll be doing is the head goes from right to left, then a little down, and that's it. Yeah. Let me know what you guys want to see me animating the next tutorials. I'll be putting whatever I make as a tutorial here. This is the head turning back to the middle. Yeah, this is the middle again. You can keep checking your animation so that you don't get lost. You can check out my digital paintings as well. I paint. Yeah, this is the head turning back to the right. It's a very simple drawing. Just the basics, the basics. Learn the basics first and then move to extreme. After this, I'll be adding some features, the eyes, lips, so it looks more believable. Yeah, the eyes, so the head is looking back, right? So the eyes will go left, looking to the back. Eyebrows raised, raised eyebrows, showing curiosity. Now this is moving up, then yeah, upward, looking up, got happy about whatever he saw, then satisfied, like yeah, and now moving back. So it takes a glimpse of the backside and then goes to the front, like yeah, this is going back. Yeah, it's really simple. Animation is not that hard, it's just if you plan your things, then it's easy. I'll put the final cut at the end of the video with some piano to like attract a bit. This is me adding a nod, not a nod, a shake, a head shake. Like nah, no, you can just see whatever you made, group it all together. No, yeah, arigato. He looks back, gets happy seeing whatever it is in back, and like gets satisfied and looks to the front again. It's really simple. Alright then, thank you so much, guys. Bye.